Matt here in a snowstorm. It's legitimately icy over here. So let me show you around. My sister's car. That car's all icy. Well, snowed. Ice is all over the cars now. The roads are actually becoming icy now. Like, you can't see now. Right here, snow covered now. But now the worst part is this bridge. This is not gonna freeze because that's a storage. Yeah, all over here is already getting all snow covered. Like, you can't see now. It's all icy now. Oh shit, it's getting slick right here, guys. Look at that. All of this is all moderate snow. I gotta watch out. But yeah, wintry weather. The snow is like powdery, and they're still saying that it's not gonna be over yet for us, cause you know how the world nation news is saying that we're gonna have like what they call it, a flash freeze. That's what's coming for us now, and temperatures are actually below zero, like freezing. I don't even have no jacket on, and you can't hear the wind in the background roaring, and it's like near blizzard conditions we have, guys. So yeah. Whew. Enjoy y'all's day. Me, I'm going back at my uncle's house because it's too damn cold for this.